Hello students, my name is Shazia Khan and I am back with my new video. Today's subject is English and topic is Don't Give Up. The poem is written by Phoebe Carey. This poem gives us motivation about life. We should never feel useless and give up on the things which are important to us. This poem, the poet is teach us to never give up in life. She wants us to keep trying until we succeed. This poem gives us a clear image of importance of trying and trying again. If we have lost in certain phase of life, we must not give up hope but try again with a positive thinking. It means हम लोगों को हमेशा ट्राई करते रहना चाहिए, हमें अपनी होप नहीं छोड़ना चाहिए. One day we will get success if we will try again and again. So let's see the poem. Let us understand the first stanza of the poem is, if you have tried and have not won, never stop for trying. All that's good and great is done just by patience trying. In this paragraph, the poet says that if we have tried to achieve something but not succeed, we should not stop to cry. All great and good things have been done just by keeping or trying patiently. Means जो लाइफ में कोई भी चीज़ आपको अचीव करनी है तो यू हैव टू कीप पेशेंस. अगर आप पेशेंस रखोगे और हार्ड वर्क करोगे तो डेफिनेटली यू विल गेट सक्सेस और यू विल अचीव योर एम और टारगेट. ओके, सो सेकेंड स्टैंजा इज, though young bird in flying fall, still their wings grow stronger, and the next time they can keep up a little longer. In this paragraph, poet give us an examples of young birds. The birds fall when they are learning to fly, but their wings grow stronger, and the next time they try to fly, they can keep up little longer than before. Now you understood what is the first and second stanza is saying. Let's move our next stanza, that is third stanza. Though the sturdy oak has known many a wind that bow her, she has risen again and grown loftier and prouder. According to the third stanza, the poet is trying to explain us the strong oak has been bent by many stormy winds, but has risen again and grown taller, stronger, and prouder. And the last stanza of this poem is, if by easy work you are beat, who the more will prize you? Gaining victory from defeat, that's the taste that tries you. The poet warns us that no one will value us if we will win when we do something that is easy. The taste that shows our strength is the one where we don't give up but gain victory after defeat. It means you will not try, you will not get success in your life. If you want to be successful persons in your life, you have to do hard work and patience. You have to keep a patience also. So overall poem जो explanation है वो बता रहा है कि हमें patience और hard work दोनों ही करना बहुत ज़रूरी है. I hope you like this video. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.